Welcome to the Open Table, where every story matters, and no one sits alone. If you've lost a spouse through death or divorce and the silence has grown louder than the laughter once shared, this message is for you. Loss is more than absence. It's the missing coffee cups, the empty chair, the long, quiet nights. For many 55 and over, losing a lifelong partner brings overwhelming questions. Who am I now? How do I face the future alone? Why would God let this happen? What's the point of these years without them? Grief, fear, isolation, even spiritual doubt. It's all real, and you're not alone in feeling it. But even in your pain, God is near, and His word offers comfort. The Lord is close to the brokenhearted and saves those who are crushed in spirit. Psalm 34:18. Even to your old age and gray hairs I am He who will sustain you. Isaiah 46:4. You may feel forgotten, but heaven has never turned its face away from you. He walks with you, still, tenderly, faithfully. So what now? What can you do with the pain and the days ahead? Grieve honestly, with God. Let Him hear it all. He can take the tears and the silence, reconnect with people, join a study, a group, or a table like this one. Loneliness only grows in hiding. Live with purpose. Maybe it's mentoring, writing, sharing your wisdom. Your story still matters. He gives strength to the weary and increases the power of the weak. Isaiah 40:29. There's a reason you're still here. A sacred one. Your life didn't end with theirs. It changed. And while that change hurts, it also invites. This season is not a shadow of your past. It's still part of your purpose. I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord. Plans to give you a future and a hope. Jeremiah 29:11. So don't pack away the good china. Don't turn down the next invitation. Your place at the open table is still set. If this message met you where you are, please don't journey alone. You have a place at the open table. Share your thoughts in the comments or request prayer. Like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so more seniors can find comfort too. Let's walk together. Because even when the table feels empty, God is preparing a seat just for you. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button, subscribe to our channel, and tap the notification bell so you never miss an update. Share this video with others who might need encouragement. Together, we can spread hope and comfort at the open table.